guys, welcome to my channel Bina Blog Creation F4. How are you all? And this is being a road view over we are going now in the Bhutan. Okay, yes, this is being a resort. I'm going over now, and you can see the amazing tea plantations, the tea garden. So beautiful tea gardens. It's being over here. See the beautiful trees and lovely aroma of the nature. You can enjoy the nature. It's being a morning time and it's being amazing. Okay, and it's being over here the tea garden in accords. You can see this is being a bird view resort A2. Okay, and you can see the tea garden over here and the so many trees over here. That's being a beautiful natural beauty over here passing way through. It's been amazing. The nature is saying something, says to hello, how are you? Okay, yes, you can see, if you see the nature, the beautiful birds, the sky, the trees, the amazing tea plantations, the cup of tea. It's been amazing over here in the now passing way through, going to the barbecue zone, going to the Bhutan right now, and I can show you some beautiful tea plantations over here, so many lands and lots over here. And shortly the vlog is being also coming. I hope you will enjoy my video, and you can see the beautiful tea plantations over here, and it's really very nice to see all the trees over here. Yes, trees are very dancing here, and you can see the tea plantations over here in many acres in an area. It's been so beautiful. So tea plantation, if you go to anywhere, you can see darzling, Assam, Bhutan also they have tea plantations, and that's been amazing. The tea cultivations, and tea is very famous, guys. Tea is very famous. So on the tea also you can make so many things. Also all the tea leaves you can see over here. Yes, you can see homes also. Yes, where to so yes, this is one of the so and you can see the morning time over here. Passing into the barbecue resorts of Bhutan, and you can see all the cars are going and this roadway straightway to Bhutan barbecue resort. And this is being a short vlog and wait for all of you, and many kind of videos I have made for you guys. I hope you will like and share guys, and share and subscribe to my channel, and give a follow to my channel, and which kind of videos you will like. You can also tell me, suggest me. So I need your suggestions, comments, love, efforts. Yes, this also make a huge to all of you to give me the love through my channel, the creation and you can see the aroma. Yes, nature is always the beautiful, and what nature is always something to us. You can see the green aroma, beautiful nature in the morning time. I hope guys, I hope you may like my videos, and guys share. I need your sharing, I need your love, guys, and I need your beautiful comments also. And you can see the straight way to roads with the barbecue also Bhutan. Yes, this is the far distance, and crossing way to the barbecue resort. So yes, from here to Bhutan is a long distance. Yes, this is a journey. I hope you will just like this. Is a travel vlog, a short travel to the morning time, and you can see the plantations. So wow, that's fantastic. Yes, in Darzling, you visit, you can also see this type in siliguri also plantations over here, and some also. The only plantation, some is also famous for the tea cultivation. Also I haven't seen. I hope guys, I hope you like my videos. See you so guys. Right now, and you can see the beautiful natural, all the things. Yes, so you can enjoy the beautiful nature. Nature also gives us so many things, pure oxygen, all the things. Yes, so full of natural beauty, full of green personal. Yes, the environments are